Hello mga palangga, mga besh. Done my packing today. It takes time before I finish this all. But I'm glad I did it. It's tiring guys kasi magtrabaho, household works in the house, maglimpyo, tapos mag-atiman pa aning box. So at least I give time this today. I've done it. So I'm proud myself. Yee! Anyway, salamat kayo Lord, sa grasya Lord. Bisan pa og dili kami mga dato sa tibok kalibutan, pero at least we managed to help family back home. Not only our family, for other people also. It's such great feelings. Sharing is caring. And we share our blessings. Not only for our family, for people also back home. So thank you guys. Anyway, finish packing. So this one is gonna be sending in Philippines soon. Anyway, thank you guys. Keep watching and I will watch you back. Also, I subscribe you back. Please don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Cheers.